Hi guys, welcome back to Naturalyewi. How's it going? So this is a little different. This is just chit chat. I'm gonna just chit chat with you guys. I feel like we need another chit chat. So I've been like off a little bit with my content that I've been like trying to put up, and that's because life is hard, life is busy, life is tough, and yeah, like life is hard, especially having a job outside of YouTube and being a full-time employee and all that stuff. So I just wanted to touch in with you guys, to all my beautiful subscribers. Thank you for always tuning in. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Jump on board. Make sure you click that thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification button. So yeah, can we just like talk about my hair a little bit? So right now my hair is, this is a hot mess. So like this hair right here is a hot mess. Like this was not how it was in the morning when I went to work, and this is how it's been looking now. So like right now it's like dry, stiff. So I'm just gonna like probably just kind of like wash it and then overnight deep condition, because I'm so tired, but I still gotta kind of like, I just wanted to like talk to you guys. So I tried the what do you call it, the Wetlook. Okay. Oh my gosh, I want to talk about the Wetlook. So the Wetlook that's trending, that's been trending for a while now on the natural hair community. Yeah, I'm gonna quote. I mean, I like it, but I just don't think it's for this type of hair. Yeah, like this would be like 4B, 4C type of hair. And I think the Wetlook, my personal opinion, is just like wash and go. The only thing is that you're just getting that slick, the front slick. But like I said, the Wetlook is not for 4C hair. I would say that again. The Wetlook is not for 4C hair. Why? Because this is what your hair will look like. Now, this is a day-old Wetlook hair. Now, I know some people might be like, oh, she didn't do it right, but yada yada yada. But putting up tons of gel in my hair, trying to get this slick thing, my hair ain't having it. My hair was like, nah. Like, I'm gonna put a picture up, and also like, if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me at Naturalyewi. And I attempted to do a Wetlook. I don't know if I did anything wrong. I did make sure I detangled, and I put like, I used like half of the on-jockey curling coconut jelly, whatever. That was what I used. That's what I have in my hair. Like, I have the residue, a little bit of residue in there. And yeah, this is my hair. Like, the Wetlook, I just think the Wetlook is just a waste of time on 4C hair. If you're gonna do that, just do a wash and go, because that's what the hair is gonna turn into. Because at the end of the day, my hair turned into a wash and go. Now, this is not a rant, but I'm just saying, like, I just wanted to talk about it. Like, it just does not work. Am I gonna try it again? Probably. If I want it to be like a wash and go, I'll probably try it one more time, but I'll probably try it with a different product. Maybe like a Eco Styler gel, even though I don't really like Eco Styler, but I gotta figure out something else to do with it. But I personally think that 4C hair, 4B hair, that we should stay away from that, because that is not gonna work. Because all you're gonna be getting is this fro, and this was not even my hair in the morning like this. So what I did yesterday, like I said, I did the wet look, and by the end of the day it was like a wash and go. And then last night all I did was, like, this is so stiff right now I can't even put this up. All I did was this like TURBAN like that. And then this morning I just kind of like spritz water all over, try to like, and this vaboom, fully dry. This is what you get. This is 4C here, 4B, 4C here, whatever texture, it's all mixed up in here. So even now I'm thinking, like, I might just not do wash and go. I might just gonna be like twisting my hair or something, because this, like, I mean, people like it, but now I gotta wash my hair and detangle it, and I know it's gonna take me like an hour or more, and I gotta pay the price. Because if I leave it like this, we're gonna deal with tangles. With tangles, ladies, we're gonna deal with tangles, and I ain't ready for the tangle in my hair when I'm tired. I'm so tired right now. I don't even know what I'm saying. Like, so that's it. That's pretty much my rant, my little wet look talk here, whatever talk. Moving on. Do you guys want to see nighttime routine, like an updated one? If you want to see that, leave a comment, let me know. Also, I've been like I said earlier, I've been so busy, you know, trying to balance work, children, life, YouTube. I love YouTube. I mean, I enjoy doing, sitting down and doing whatever I like to do in front of the camera. Anyways, no, it's for real. Like, I literally do enjoy this. It helps me a lot. So I need to figure out what kind of content I'm gonna be like putting out there, because I feel like I don't want to like focus on natural hair, because number one, I am not a stylist. Like, I'm not good with styling my hair. Two, I have so many ideas, but I feel like every time I attempt to do different hairstyles, it's always a fail. I don't know, maybe I'm just impatient with it, or it's just the technique I'm using. It's not working out. And three, I just don't have patience anymore. Like, I don't have patience to be sitting here and styling my hair. I just want this hair to grow. Maybe I'm just gonna be like one of those people that's just straight natural, like, you know, like wash, blow dry, wash, blow dry, flat iron. Like, I'm literally thinking of just washing my hair, having a routine where I wash, I deep condition, and I just blow dry and wash my, and wear my hair in a blow dry straight, because wearing it out in like a wash and go and stuff like that is just too much for me now, especially with my lifestyle and timing and everything. So I'm thinking about that. And then I'm also thinking about like different things I want to put out on my channel. Like, I want to share a lot more of myself, because I feel like majority of people that are subscribed to me don't really know much about me. So I'm putting it out there, whatever content, as long as it's legal. You know, you guys want to see, if you want to see more about me, life, whatever, leave it in the comment section. So that's it. I hope you guys you know, stay blessed, and, you know, keep your head up.